subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.
Hello dear viewer, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to show you how to purchase apps from Google Play Store. So let's start. Just go to Google Play Store and search your purchasing app. Which do you want to purchase? Okay, I am just examples want to show this one. Okay, and to buy this one, this is the 600 BDT Taka. So just click on the amount and you can see the guarantee photo Sun Anderson, and now just click on the accept and you can see on the here, please tap continue to add payment method or random a code to complete your purchase. Go to continue, and you must need to have a credit card or debit card for processing from Google Play Store. So okay, just click on the add or debit card. Now input here your card number. I have already added this card number and press your card expire date and press the VCC number. Okay, after successfully added the card, you need to add the card information, card holder name, and where is your bank country. If your card are used from the Bangladeshi bank, then you need to choose the Bangladesh, and you must be address the your home address. And okay, now I'm going to show you the name of card holder. And I am from Bangladesh, so I am going to choose the Bangladesh. If you want to another country, you can choose any. Okay, just choose your own country, where is your bank or home address, and just now press the street address. And this is the apartment number. Okay, and this is the city, and this is the postal code. Okay, after successfully added the information, just click on the save